दिस इज़ अ फास्ट ट्रैक इवेंट और ये इवेंट इसलिए क्योंकि वी आर एक्चुअली सेलिब्रेटिंग द सक्सेस ऑफ सेल्स ऑफ फास्ट ट्रैक. फास्ट ट्रैक्स बीन डूइंग वेरी वेल एंड ये एक अवेयरनेस कैंपेन है ये दिखाने के लिए कि व्हेन यू राइड अ बाइक सिर्फ हेलमेट पहनना ज़रूरी नहीं है. इट्स ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू वेयर अ पेयर ऑफ सनग्लासेस टू प्रोटेक्ट योर सेल्फ अगेंस्ट अल्ट्रा वायलेट रेज अगेंस्ट जैसे एक कंटेस्टेंट ने कहा कि द शाइन फ्रॉम द टामैक या टैंक से जो शाइन आता है इट्स ऑलवेज सेफ टू वेयर अ पेयर ऑफ फास्ट ट्रैक ग्लासेस. तो यही हम इस कॉम्पिटिशन में दिखा रहे थे. वेल डर्ट बाइकिंग इज़ एनी फॉर्म ऑफ बाइकिंग इन बॉम्बे. दैट्स डर्ट बाइकिंग. एंड इफ़ यू आस्क मी व्हेन यू राइड इन बॉम्बे में सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? इट्स पोल्यूशन, इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ हीट, अ लॉट ऑफ लाइट. और उसके लिए देयर आर टू इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स जो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ सारे बाइकर्स को. एक तो ऑलवेज वेयर अ हेलमेट जो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, और दूसरी बात always wear a pair of glasses so you protect your eyes against the ultraviolet rays. Of course, only in the day. रात को it's not important to wear this, but in the day it's very important. और इसलिए we have this complete exercise out here where we showed how you can protect your eyes against the grit and against the breeze when it was blowing. When the bikers couldn't complete, I gave this pair of fast glasses to one biker and he finished the circuit.
John,
No, the thing is, mine was important for me to hand over glasses to somebody to finish this circuit. If you had understood the circuit, to finish the circuit. So I actually pass on the message of safe riding by passing on these glasses to somebody. And that's exactly what I did through this campaign, where the last rider, Manav, actually took my pair of fast track glasses, wore it, and finished the race.
so what are your other safety tips?
जी शुरुआत बहुत पहले की थी मैंने. एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा था, लेकिन उस वक्त पे मैं अंडर एज था. नाउ इट्स डिफरेंट. नाउ आई राइड बाइक्स वेरी लीगली. मैं चलाता हूँ, मज़ा आता है. लेकिन लाइक यू सी द ट्रैफिक सिचुएशन इन बॉम्बे, गर्मी के वजह से, पोल्यूशन की वजह से, ट्रैफिक की वजह से आई कांट राइड बाइक्स दैट फ्रीली. शूटिंग की वजह से समटाइम्स यू कांट राइड बाइक्स वेरी ऑफन. लेकिन अभी भी जब भी चलाता हूँ मज़ा आता है. रात को चलाता हूँ मैं. लेकिन well, I get time to ride only in the nights. तो मैं रात को ही चलाता हूँ. Whenever I get time, I have got a great bike with me. I've got 2 bikes with me. तो रात को जब भी टाइम मुझे मिलता है, I take my bike out and I go for a small spin. क्योंकि उतना ही टाइम मिलता है मुझे.
Without helmet?
Always, that very good question actually you asked. I always ride a bike with a helmet, and that's for all the youngsters here. क्योंकि there are so many accidents still happening. धूम के वजह से, और उसके बाद भी because of a lot of films that have come out. The idea is to profess being safe. Doom was only a film, and a lot of people tell me that you weren't wearing a helmet. The truth is that wear a helmet, be safe, and always wear a pair of fast track glasses in the day to protect your eyes from ultraviolet rays.
John, as we're speaking, the budget is being announced. As a citizen, as an actor in Bollywood and the entertainment industry, what are your expectations this time from the budget?
जी, fast track is affordable. Very affordable.
जॉन, आप एक
Consumerism जिंदाबाद.
जॉन, आप एक राइडर हो.
जी.
राइडर्स में बहुत खुशी की बात है कि बजट में बाइक का जो दाम है वो कम करने के लिए कहा गया है.
जी.
Are you happy?
सी आई एम मतलब इन माई हार्ट आई एम अ बाइकर. मैं एक बाइकर हूँ, और एनीथिंग दैट इज़ फॉर बाइकर्स मैं यही समझता हूँ कि मेरे फैमिली के लिए कुछ हो रहा है. आई सपोर्ट बाइकर्स होल हार्टेडली. सो आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी इफ द प्राइस ऑफ बाइक्स इज़ रिड्यूस्ड. क्योंकि नैनो के बाद आई थिंक द प्राइस ऑफ बाइक शुड बी रिड्यूस्ड. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे पूछा कि विच कार मार्केट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अफेक्टेड आफ्टर द नैनो इज़ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. और मैंने सिर्फ इतना ही कहा कि द 2-wheeler मार्केट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अफेक्टेड. So if the price of bikes are marginally reduced, I'll be very happy.
Okay. John, it was goal for which you cut your hair short. You were expecting it to grow and come up with a new, long hair look, but it's not come up. So what's the reason behind that?
Well, the hair doesn't grow overnight, that's why.
Is that the spring onion cut?
No, it takes a lot of time, and each film requires a different look. So as per a film, I'll always have a different look for a film. At least I'll try that.
Also, taking from that, Bipasha has gone ahead and cut her hair really short. What do you think of the new hairstyle?
Good, very good. Genuinely looks very nice, and I think everybody agrees with me.
This is you inspired her so much that she's gone for that cut.
क्या है?
Last 3 questions, please.
Huh?
Last 3 questions.
Will you be there for Doom 3?
No, I don't know whether there's a Dhoom 3. I'm just doing a couple of movies right now, and
With Yash Raj film, can you do it?
yeah, I'm doing a Dharma film right now, and then I'm doing a Yash Raj film.
Even Katrina? Same
I won't comment on anything because I came here to speak about Fast Track.
John,
Thank you.
also scheduled to be doing a film with Kareena this year. Has that been confirmed? Because last time we checked it wasn't.
Well, I don't know yet, but maybe next year, yeah.
Okay, are
John,
we
if
going
you
to
were
see
to
a
write
fast track riding
motorcycle
a
diaries
bicycle?
on your travels,
Brilliant question.
what would be the most interesting ride of your life?
I think I've ridden all over the world, but I think my most interesting ride till now has been the Baja 1000. That's on the border of California and Mexico. I rode about 1,000 miles, and I think that's the most special ride for me. And anybody who understands what the Baja 1000 is, it's a place on the border of USA and Mexico. It is the most beautiful sight in the world. So I think that's my most historical ride, and I wish to ride a motorcycle diaries one day on my life.
Okay, there's no real bike training school at the school. I mean, you have to learn from each other
Right.
as a community. So what did you learn and what would you tell the other bikers?
Well, I think biking community is at a very initial stage in this country, a very nascent stage. I want this community to grow. I obviously hope that there are biking training schools happening here. I wish the MotoGP comes down to India. I may go for the MotoGP to Qatar on the 9th of March. I just hope the community really grows. I hope infrastructure supports the cause for biking, because right now it's very unfriendly to bikers. And I just hope we have a lot more effective riders and trainers in this country. Thank you.
Apart from safety, John Abraham, Fast Track glares क्यों पहनते हैं?
Gee, I think Fast Track glares are really great looking glares. I only wear Fast Track. I enjoy them, and not because I'm endorsing the brand. I think it's been 3 years since we're doing it. 3 years. Our association has grown. Sales have grown. I genuinely enjoy this. A lot of people come home and they ask me for a pair of Fast Track. I just take it off and I give them mine. He hasn't given me glasses right now because he's saying, John, we are out of stock. That is right now. And for me, more than angry, I'm very happy that they're out of stock, because it gives me a feeling of conversion to sales. That they're selling out. They're completely sold out, and I think that's what's very special, and that Hemal can second on.
Okay, John, tell me about your favorite bike.
My favorite bike, anything above, usually anything above 1000 cc is really nice to sit on. 125, 130, 200 is little small.
Thank you.
What would you advise to juvenile bikers in today's
Last question.
Very good question. Very good question. I think the advice I can give young bikers is that we feel for you. I'm part of the community, but please wear a helmet. Please be safe. Fast जाने से कुछ फायदा नहीं है, because even if you want girls to see you, no one's going to see you if you're going that fast. So go really slow. And just wear a pair of nice Fast Track glasses, because I think a lot of people think they look really, really good.
जॉन अभी विपाशा ने जो बाइक लॉन्च स्कूटी लॉन्च किया है,
जी।
अगर रेस होगी तो आप जीतना पसंद करेंगे या हारना? क्योंकि जॉन विपाशा के काफी करीब है, क्या करना पसंद करेंगे आप?
हारना.
So sweet.
आपने
So
पूछा
sweet.
मैंने.
Thank you so much.
Definitely.
Thank you, ladies and
Thank you.
gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thanks, John.